Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Clash Royale on Bluestacks. First, you'll want to download and install the most recent version of Bluestacks from its official website. After installation, complete the initial setup by signing in with your Google account. It's important to ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for smooth gameplay. Once Bluestacks is ready, the next step is to install Clash Royale. Simply open the Google Play Store application directly within Bluestacks. Use the search bar to find Clash Royale and then click the Install button. The game will then download and install automatically, just as it would on a mobile device. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. To get the best performance, you should optimize your settings. Within Bluestacks, adjust performance settings like CPU core allocation and RAM to at least 4 cores and 4 GB respectively. Configure key mapping for precise control during battles, allowing you to place troops accurately. Also, set the graphics quality within Clash Royale to a balanced option for a smooth and enjoyable experience without any lag. Now you're ready to enjoy Clash Royale on your computer. Utilize the larger screen and precise controls for strategic advantages in every battle. For an even more immersive experience, consider connecting a gamepad, as Bluestacks offers excellent support for various controllers. You'll experience enhanced visuals and smoother frame rates, making your Clash Royale sessions more enjoyable and competitive. Have fun dominating the arena.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.